Alright, so we've got a Ferrex self-propelled lawnmower. This is one of the Aldi specials. It's not that old, maybe 6 months old, and it's stuck in drive. So we're going to pull it apart. This handle here is the throttle, and you've got to hold that on for it to start and to go. And this handle here, the green one, is the drive, and at the moment it's stuck on, so you can see a little bit of slack in this cable here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it apart and see if we can fix it, just so that you know, all in here it's all protected with this plastic cowling. So we're going to have to pull it apart and see what's going on in there. Alright, so I've just got this on the workbench. You could work out how to do this yourself, but I've got it tied up to hold it up. I don't have a stand or anything. So what you need to do is, you can see there's a little plastic cowl, and under here is a drive belt. There's a nut under there, and then there's these two screws here which will take off. And if you can just see in there, that's where the little drive gear is. So we'll see how we go. So just looking here, we've got the plastic cowl off, and you can see how the belt goes in. So we're just going to take that off and slip it over the disc so you can have a look. This is just a very thin drive belt. It's still okay. If you want to replace it, go down to your local belt store and they might have one. And we'll just keep going, see what's next. Alright, as you can see, I've taken the rear axle off, so there's just some brackets under there that you can unscrew, and I've just undone the clip at the front here. It's the easiest way to do it. Disconnect the spring, drop this down. I think I may have found the problem, so it's possible there was a lot of grass and stuff stuck up in between there, and so this moves. This is the handle activates this cable which pulls this in to make it drive, and there was all jammed up with grass under there. So what I've done is I've just cleaned it out with the air gun. You can take this off. Got a little bit of just got the screwdriver in there and flicked all the grass out. And alright, I'll put it back together and see if that's problem fixed. Alright, here we go. Here's the moment of truth. I've just put it all back together again. Cleaned it all up. I just sprayed some of those parts with WD-40. That's my favourite go-to. I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 down the cable in here as well too. And what I've done is I've just added some grommets to the top here. I don't know if you've got any lying around. A bit of grass and stuff can get in there, and I think that's probably what caused it. So hopefully that'll keep it out a little bit. And here we go, the moment of truth. So this is the throttle handle. You've got to hold that in to start it. And this is the drive. So let's see if we can hold this with one hand and we'll see if it starts. Alright, there you go. Seems to have done the trick. Hopefully that helps.